space fans and cleaning guru-gurus. Did you know that the Dustbuster, your handy-dandy household vacuum, has its roots in the Apollo moon missions? Let's dive into this fascinating story of innovation and cosmic dust.
In the 1960s, NASA needed a solution for collecting lunar samples. The challenge? Creating a tool that was both powerful and portable enough for astronauts to use on the moon's surface. Enter Black & Decker, who developed a cordless drill specifically for this purpose. This drill was designed to extract core samples from beneath the moon's surface, helping scientists study its composition. The technology had to be lightweight and efficient, running on minimal power, perfect for space exploration. Fast forward to Earth. Black & Decker took this groundbreaking technology and applied it to everyday life. In 1979, they introduced the Dustbuster, a cordless vacuum cleaner that brought space-age innovation right into our homes. So next time you grab your Dustbuster to tackle those pesky crumbs, remember its stellar origins. From moon missions to kitchen counters, this device is a testament to how space exploration continues to impact our everyday lives. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey from space to your living room, hit that like button and subscribe for more examples of Relatable Space here at the New Mexico Museum of Space History in Alamogordo.